how to remove line breaks or carriage return or new lines in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the line breaks in Excel. So usually we get line breaks in Excel by pressing Alt Enter. Let's say I'm going to write here line and I'm going to press Alt Enter and it gives us a new line, and that is called line breaks, or you can call it carriage return, all the same. Okay, now we have line breaks in these cells and I want to remove this carriage return, and the easiest way to do it is using the Excel built-in find and replace, and I'm going to press Ctrl H, which is the shortcut for replace, and the only trick here is to find the line breaks. We usually press Alt Enter to get new line, but here inside this find and replace feature you cannot press Alt Enter to get a new line. Okay, here we need to press Ctrl J and that will indicate line breaks in Excel. You cannot see anything here, just a little dot blinking here. I don't know if you can see it, but believe me, it's there. And now replace with, we want to replace with nothing. So if we don't write here anything, we are going to find the line breaks and replace with nothing, which is basically removing the line breaks. So I'm going to click on replace all, and you can see all 55 line breaks has been replaced and it has replaced with nothing. I think you can see all the line breaks has been removed. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.